Welcome back. Welcome to Melessenz and welcome back in my small Japanese kitchen. Today I show you 3 savory pancake recipe. One from Taiwan, one from Japan and one from Switzerland. 3 recipe I really love. And Goma seems to join us. Let's see and enjoy. And here you see the ingredients for Taiwanese pancake.
You need 2 eggs, 2 pieces of ham and the frozen pancake. You can get it in Gyomo. Here I start to cook the pancake. I love to have my food balanced. That's why I also put in my beloved bean sprouts. Usually in the Taiwanese pancake, how they do it in Taiwan, they are not included, but I think they match really well. I move and turn the pancake to not burn it and get it nice crunchy. During that, I cut my bean sprouts. When it's getting nice and brown, I put it away. Maybe here it's a little bit too brown. And then I put in the ham. A little bit oil here, coconut oil to be exactly to avoid everything to stick to the pan. The step before didn't need that. My pan is a little bit too hot, shouldn't steam like that. With the rest of the oil, I cream my hand. A little beauty hack here. Ta-da! Oh, now my ham is ready. We have to go to the next step. We put in our eggs. Carefully put both inside. Then mix it to get the flavor evenly spread out. Next step is salt. You can take any salt. Here I take Alps salt. This salt has also some herbs inside, so it's a bonus. I really love it. And then the bean sprouts. When the upper layer of the egg still is a little bit liquid, put in the pancake we prepared before. Cook it a little bit until the egg isn't liquid anymore and turn it around with a plate. Be careful. Then put it back into the pan to also make the other side nice and crunchy. Don't forget to roll it before it's too crunchy. I love it to be crunchy, so after rolling you can keep it a little bit longer if you like to make it more crunchy. And here we have it, our delicious pancake. Itadakimasu!
And here you see the ingredients for the Japanese pancake, Okonomiyaki.
You need cabbage, some pork, an egg, some wheat, some dashi, mayonnaise, bulldog sauce, warm water, and katsuboshi. These are dried fish flakes. First we take the Japanese fish stock, dashi. We take 3 spoons and mix it into the warm water. So we get a smooth soup stock. I put it in a bigger bowl and mix in my egg. After that, I put in the wheat and mix it really well. You can see here are clumps, but after good mixing, you will get rid of them. Cutting our cabbage in small pieces and also our pork. Mix everything together, also with our prepared dough. When everything is mixed well, you can start to heat up the pan and put some oil into it. Here I use sesame oil. And then, when the oil is warm, put in the dough. Push it evenly down to a nice circle. Put on the lid and cook it for around 2 minutes with the lid on middle heat. Then take the lid off and cook it a little bit longer until the corners are starting to get brown. And now it's time to flip the pancake. Here I use a plate to make it easier, but it was a little bit difficult to get it out, so I would recommend first put in the plate and then flip it with the pan and then slide it in. Now the last step, you cook it a little bit longer on the other side and then flip it again. Here I show the safer way. Ta-da! It's ready for the topping. First, put on the bulldog sauce. Followed by the mayonnaise. Here you see how the Japanese are doing it in the cute little square shape. And then the katsuboshi. If you don't like katsuboshi, you can also skip that. I love it, so I put a little bit more. And here, ready to eat. Itadakimasu. The first time my okonomiyaki got a little bit dark, so I tried it again. Practice makes the master.
And here you see the ingredients for the Swiss pancake.
You just need potato and salt, but additionally, if you like, some pork, an egg and cheese. After washing the potatoes, we remove the skin. After removing the skin, to avoid the potato to get brown again, I put it in water. And now I'm gonna cut the bacon. First, we're gonna cook the bacon. I also gonna put some salt on it because this is a unsalted bacon. And my little happy helper will help us to make this rösti amazing. In Switzerland, we're gonna cook the bacon until it's really crunchy. When the bacon is ready, we are starting to shred the potato on a grater. Until there are small little pieces like that. With a part of the bacon fat, we can now cook our rösti. Put the shredded potatoes in a pan, salt it well, put also the bacon into it and cook it for 5 minutes with occasionally mixing. Then form it to a round pancake and bake it until the corners are getting brown. During this process, you can put cheese on top if you like. Now flip the pancake and bake the other side. If you like, you can put cheese again. And finish! Itadakimasu! But wait, stop! If you like, you can also put an egg on top. I really love it. Isn't it delicious?
Which recipe would you like to try? I hope you enjoyed and learned more and also like to try some new recipes even when you're not so good in cooking. Yeah? If you don't try, you never know. Thank you for watching. Stay calm and happy.